What is good? It's your girl TR back with another review. Today we're reviewing Haramain Amber Oud Gold Edition. Bro, I don't know if I can find a picture of it, then I'll put it on here. Like I said, this camera is crap. Oh my bad, the box. But this is Gold Edition. Obviously, man, cologne. Yeah, this is what it looks like. My bad. Subscribe so I can get better camera. Yo, bro. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, so, I forgot how much I paid for this. So, I had this for like a couple of weeks. I love it. So, let's get to it. Okay, so. Y'all shake y'all colognes up before y'all spray or not? Should y'all do it? Off the bat, when you first spray it, but when it simmers down a little bit, it starts to take on like a sweet flavor. My bad. Excuse me. The main notes, I forgot. It says, obviously, which I said, sweet, fruity, osnostic, musky, amber, powdery, fresh, vanilla, aquatic, woody. The sweet and fruity I get, musky and powdery and fresh. Definitely that. I definitely get that. Now, me, I love it. I love this. This is the first one, like other than like the Draco, what I said when for a review, this is the first cologne that my girl actually commented on it, like saying I smell good and stuff like that. I forgot the price. If I remember, I'll write it down. And like with all the other stuff that I forget, I'll write it down, even in the previous videos. But this is the first cologne that she's ever like complimented me on. Now it's starting to simmer down. I'm definitely starting to get that vanilla. That vanilla's hitting. But yeah, man. Speaking of, hello.
Hey, Sam.
Hey, you know you being recorded, right?
I don't care.
I'm making a video.
I don't care.
Nigga, dog. Hey, this on video.
I don't care.
You know how much editing I have to do?
Whose phone is that? You shouldn't answer the phone.
And if I don't answer the phone, you get mad.
No, you could have just texted me and be like, I'm making a video. I'll call you back when I'm done.
Hey,
That's all it takes.
I started 2 sweet cakes.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh shit.
I feel like I'm not possessive or something. I'm not that OD crazy.
It's okay. Oh, so you meant you crazy, but you're not that crazy, huh?
Yeah, well, everybody knows that.
Hey, what the fuck wrong with you, bro? You get any sleep?
For today?
Yeah.
No, I've been up since 7, I think. 7:30.
God damn.
And I called the school.
But yeah, my bad, my girl called, but yeah, bro, I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna sit on the phone with her. But yeah, man, she like really likes the smell. Sorry if you can hear, but she really likes this smell. This is the first compliment she gave me for a cologne. But yeah, I think it's worth it. Like, it lasts for a very long time. Like, it lasts very long on the skin as well as the body. Like I said, I definitely have that sweet smell. For the musk, the vanilla, it just hits. And when it simmers down. But yeah, man, sorry for the short review on the phone with her. But yeah, I think it's definitely worth buying. I'll give this a 8.5. as far as like scents and shit. But yeah, man, I definitely say this is worth it. But yeah, any colognes y'all want me to do a review on, feel free to comment them down below. But yeah, I'm out. But yeah, peace. Yay, yay.